You sound
I like around. I want it to take like 2 hours.
Look your eyes.
And then I open it, it's like 100.
So my camera hates me and it decided to delete the clips that I had filmed prior to what you're about to see. So you may be a little confused, but like hang in there and you'll figure out what I'm doing. So yeah.
Update. Apparently I got too close. Apparently it's not gonna be raining when I take my test. So your girl might not flop on her test today. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing my makeup and then I'm gonna change because I don't feel like wearing this to getting my picture taken if I actually end up passing my test. So I'm gonna tell you guys like what I'm gonna do because I want to listen to music while I'm doing my makeup and I don't feel like getting a copyright strike on my channel, so I can't really show you guys the music. But if you want like an updated like playlist video, just let me know and I'll do that for you. Anyways, so let's quickly go through this because we're leaving a lot earlier than I thought we were going to, and I have like an hour and 30 minutes, which is enough, but like, anyway, so first thing I do is I use the Nature Republic Aloe Vera Moisture Gel. Very good moisturizer for like the summertime when it's like really hot. Then I spray the Mars Rose Water Spray on my face, love this stuff. Then I go in with my Too Faced Hangover RX Primer, which is a really nice primer, but if you have sensitive skin, we would not recommend. Then I am going to use the Black Opal True Color foundations in Carob and Eau Chocolat. I mix the two together. I use more Eau Chocolat than Carob because Carob is really too red for me, but like, my skin is low-key a little red undertones. So then I go in with the Black Opal concealer stick. Obviously, it's not stick for me anymore because I potted it and put it into a pot because like, easier travel, I guess. Then I use the Alpine Efficient powder for baking / setting my under eyes. Then I go in for my natural look. I just take a simple brown shade, so I take this shade, put that all over my lid. Then I go in with the Pony Mini Box palette and I go in to this shade right here for highlighting my brow bone. Then I take this shade for highlighting my inner quarter, this shade for like highlighting in general all over my face because I don't have a natural highlighter because I'm cheap. And then after all of that, I put on my favorite lip combo at the moment, which is the Nature Republic Pure Shine Jelly Tint, and then this like cheap lip gloss thing, but like it does the job, so I still use it and it like creates a nice glossy lip. I go into, if I can find them, that'd be great. I go into these two mascaras, the Magical Mascara by Holy Cocoa, which I need a new one of these, and the Maybelline Rocket Volume Mascara again. Ooh, I need new ones of these, but I don't have them right now, so I'm just gonna do what I have. Then I go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray that all over my face. And then I may spray a little more Margaret spray on my face, just depending on how I feel my face is looking. So yeah, I'm gonna start playing my music, and you'll just see me do my makeup. It's very simple. So yeah, it's a very simple makeup look. I'm done with my makeup. It's just very simple, like everyday makeup, like nothing crazy. Oh, I didn't spray my face, but I'm gonna put on my makeup spray because we want this to stay on for the picture because I sweat a lot. I have hyperhidrosis, so it's just not the best. It's 12:30. I have an hour to get ready, so I'm probably gonna just like put my clothes on and like I'll show you. And I know my bed is a mess, but like we don't talk about that. So yeah, this is my outfit. I'm wearing this flannel thing. This like fake faux denim jacket from Target. This top is also from Target. Surprisingly, it's a really cute top. But like if I wore it to school, like I'd get dress coded, so I just barely wear this top. And then these shorts are from American Eagle. I almost said American Apparel, but we don't shop in American Apparel in this household. So yeah, I have to put on lotion, get ready, and from now on I'm probably gonna be vlogging on my phone until I get home. the Lord was on my side today. It didn't even rain, it was sunny today, so weather people, get it together. But I have my little, gonna like move it around paper thing that says I got my provisional license, and they're gonna send me my like actual license in the mail. And I'm just so excited. I can finally like go places now. Not have to worry about like having a ride, because like I have my license now. So it's like I can actually drive places now. It's crazy how life works, guys. It's like so insane. I feel like there wasn't enough material for this vlog.
I mean, you didn't even vlog leaving the house, so
I'm gonna film like my first time driving on the road by myself, which is probably a bad idea. Not today, because I don't have any plans. I didn't even tell my friends I was going to take the test, because like I was so scared of failing. I low-key almost did fail, because we were doing reverse parking and I underestimated the distance of the cone in my car. I got in the middle though, after, because normally I can reverse park in a minute. This time it took me like a minute and a half, which I guess is fine. Actually no, it took me like almost 2 minutes to do it, but like we have 3 minutes, so it's fine. But I was like embarrassed because there were people watching, and I was like, why are you watching me fail right now?
I'm so overdramatic. I'm sorry. It's a problem.
Yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm driving by myself. So see you in like, who knows, maybe a week, but we'll see. Okay, so it's many days later, and today I'm going to have my like 4th on the road experience. But today I'm driving to my friend's house, and she lives quite a distance away from me. So I'm gonna be driving. I won't be vlogging the entire time. I don't even know if I'll vlog while I'm driving for the most part, because I have to use a GPS because I've never been to her house. Also, my parents can't know I'm vlogging, because then I'll get in trouble. So we're just gonna like try and be like sneaky with it, and I might film a baking video with them when I get to her house, but we'll see. I take my thing, and if they ask, I'm filming a video at Denise's house. Oh yeah, her name is Denise, and we're not gonna be the only ones. There's gonna be a girl named Bree, a girl named Amy, and a girl named Allie. So they're gonna be coming later, because like one of them has like a doctor's appointment or something. But anyway, so yeah, so I'm gonna go, because I'm scared I'm gonna get lost, and I need to go now, so I'm like there at least somewhat on time. So I'll see you maybe in the car. We'll see where I see you guys next. So I have to take my dad's car, because he's the only one that has 2 of the like cigarette lighters or whatever they're called, and I need the GPS and my phone. I don't have data on my phone, so I can't vlog because there's no space, and also I might get in trouble. So I might put the camera here, but if not, I'll see you guys when I get to my friend's house.
2 hours later.
Recently had her last treatment
I don't know what's going on. Like, okay, even though I haven't seen someone in it, I still have to have
So today, we are witnessing the epic 2-on-2 between Team Sunye. Woo! And then between Team Honorati. Let the games begin. Okay, Allie has the ball. She's looking for Kim to get open. Kim has the ball now. Kim shoots. She scores!
15.
That is with the ball. Oop, she crossed her up. Oop, oop. All right, she's looking for Kim to be open. I'm the commentator. All right, Kim has nothing so far. She gets it back to Allie. And she takes it. She scores. Good hustle from Amy takes it back. She sees Bree. Bree gets the ball. Back to Amy. Ah.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
And they lose it.
Basketball hangout, you know.
As I'm editing this video, I realized that I suck at vlogging and this vlog is literally all over the place. I won't explain what we're doing, but right now in the next clip, you're going to see us baking brownies. I don't think it was actually ever clearly explained what we were doing, but like you could basically infer from the footage. So enjoy watching Bree and Denise bake because me, Amy, and Allie low-key didn't do that much, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay? Okay.
So it's a cup for each one?
Sometimes all I know is a cup for both. Because we're working on
Oh, a half and a half.
Yes.
But I have to do it separately, right? Because
No.
we're making it in two separate things.
No, you can just make the batter all in one and then put them in the different pans.
Less cleaning.
Now we're putting the oil.
A lot of oil.
Really? Wait, it's
I thought you
fine.
said you were going to put it in two bowls.
No, you can just make your batter in one.
So why did I get that bowl?
I don't know. I honestly don't know
What
why.
you said we need?
What we can pick up
I
the
thought
other
you
pan.
said we needed.
Denise is
Whatever. Kim, what does that equal?
3 tablespoons?
Yeah. Wait,
technically
6
six.
tablespoons.
6 tablespoons?
Yeah.
I'll Google it.
If you ever ask me a question, just expect me to Google it because I don't think. So.
Bree, you left fluid out.
Alright.
I need a clickbait. Oh, I don't even have a thumbnail.
Thumbnail. We can make a thumbnail right now.
Hold the knife up to me and you can say, she almost killed her.
Oh, yes. I get so many views.
So that was going to be the thumbnail of this vlog, and then I stupidly deleted the picture. So, sorry, I'm an idiot sandwich. So.
Perhaps.
This one. Is it hot?
Perhaps.
What are you looking for?
The pan.
You really could just use oil and that's ghetto.
You're the one. You know, I'm done. I'm literally done.
No, I knew you were looking for Pam, but if you didn't have it.
I just don't know where it is.
I love it.
I'm done with her foolishness.
Just a heads up, in the next clip, there's going to be a lot of screaming, and I can't really give context on why, but just prepare your ears, headphone users, lower the volume, you know, just prepare yourselves, okay? Okay.
They're ready.
They look amazing. Thanks to your girl.
Ew. What? Ooh. There we go. Okay, guys, so thank you guys for watching this vlog. I'm gonna try and become a better vlogger because I can already tell this vlog is a mess. But I have to leave right now because I can't be driving at night or else my parents will actually castrate me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll try to do more vlogs with friends. Remember that I do K-beauty, regular beauty, fashion, K-pop, and random videos. If you enjoyed those types of videos, please hit the subscribe button down below so you can see more videos from yours truly. And also hit that little bell button next to the subscribe button so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. After this video, I'm starting my back to school series. So like, just get ready for that. Even though school sucks, those videos will make going to school a little, maybe not. Actually, you know what? Let me just stop. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember that somebody loves you, and I will see you guys in my next video. And maybe I'll do a drive with me in my mom's car, so. Okay. Bye, guys.